Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. Google Chrome now includes a built-in AI writing tool called Help Me Write. This feature can automatically generate emails, comments and messages for you in seconds, saving time and effort. In this video, I will show you how to enable this AI feature in the latest version of Google Chrome. To enable this, first open Chrome. After that, click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select settings. In the left sidebar, click on AI Innovations. Under AI Innovations section, click on Help Me Write. Now at the bottom you will find Offer Writing Help. Just turn on this one toggle switch. That's it. The AI writing feature is now enabled in your Chrome browser. To use it, open any website where you can type text like Gmail or a comment section. After that, right click on the text box and you will see at the top Help Me Write. If you don't see the AI innovations option, make sure your Google Chrome browser is updated to the latest version and you are signed in to your Google account. Also, this feature may not be available in all regions yet. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.